types of graph. So simple graph can be null graph, it can be complete graph. How? We'll see here. Suppose we have this so the degree of each this, what it will be degree, this vertex have two edges, so degree will be 2. This vertex also having two edges, so degree will be 2. This vertex also having two edges, so degree will be 2. So we can say number of edges is equal to sum of degree divided by 2. So sum of degree will be 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2. So 3. Number of edges are 3. So total number of edges are present here 3. So we can say this is K3 graph. K3 graph. Now we'll see further. Suppose we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. We have this like this. Suppose we have like this. So here number of edges at this vertex 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So number of edges we can say simply 4 into 3 divided by 2. 4 times 3, so 4 into 3 divided by 2. Number of edges will be 6. Number of edges will be 6. So this is called K4, we can say. And in the similar way, if we see another one like this, if we see like if we see like this and the number of edges are like this, number of edges are like this, so we can see simply every this vertex having 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also having 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also having 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also having 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also having 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of we can say the number of edges here, 4 into 5. 5 times 4, because 5 vertex we have and every vertex having 4 degree, because there are 4 edges connected to every vertex, so 5 into 4 divided by 2. So we can say 10. So total number of edges are 10 here. We can say simply K5. So by this we can reach to this result that simple graph with minimum edges called null graph, but simple graph with maximum edges called complete graph. We can see accordingly at every vertex how many edges are connected. According to that, the degree, this is called degree, as we have learned in the last lecture. How many edges are connected to that vertex, this is called the degree. So on that basis we have calculated the number of edges of each graph. So we can say that edges of kn, as I have wrote it everywhere, k4, k5, number of vertex. How many number of vertex are present here? 3, here 4, here 5. So according to that I have written k3, k4, k5. So edges of kn, I am writing here, edges of kn is equal to n minus 1 by 2. n minus 1 by 2. This is vertex 4, this is edges 3, the degree of that vertex. So I am writing n minus 1. This is vertex, how many vertex are present? This is the degree of each vertex, 4. So n minus 1 by 2. So this we can say for directed graph. For directed graph, and this is for undirected graph. For undirected graph, and for directed graph, edges will be n minus 1. n minus 1. So this is all about the types of graph.